Tonight we are making kielbasa sausage and peppers, a simple, quick and easy dish. First, we're going to be heating our Dutch oven, then adding in extra virgin olive oil into the pan, sauteing our onions, peppers, and green cabbage chopped, sliced, just like so, till it's nice and translucent. Transfer this into a nice bowl. From here, we're going to be adding in our sausage, brown on both sides. Now adding in garlic and then the vegetables back in. Combine and served with green onions and mashed potatoes as a dish. Serving this tonight with August Kessler or Riesling from Germany, flavors of ripe fruits, aromatic apples, and peaches. Mouth-watering fruits and minerals are positively shimmering, very delicate, and on a refreshing palate. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye!